today we will talk about how to fix problem of Hizo. Click here on settings. Then we click on apps. After that we will search for Hizo. Click here. Then we click here on first stop. After that click on OK. OK. Then we will go down, click on storage. After that click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.